Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivangi Mukherjee and I make content on self-love, mindsets and personal growth. Today's video is going to be a little different. I've been waiting for a while to do this and I wanted to unbox this with you guys. I've ordered planners and journals and this is not sponsored content. No brand is paying me to make this video. I just ordered planners and journals because New Year just hit and I wanted to plan and journal stuff because it gives me more structure, helps me with time management and helps me unpack my feelings. So I have here a yearly journal and I have here a gratitude journal. So without further ado, let's get unpacking. I'm going to use a scissor for this and I'm going to open this now. I ordered these journals on 30th of December or no, 3rd. I ordered these on the 3rd of January and they came to me today, and today is 11th of January, and I think it took them 8 days to deliver this to me, but that's only because I had a customization done on the journals. I had my name written on one of them, so I think that took a little more time. And I think if the personalization bit had not been added, I might have gotten these journals a little earlier. I got these at a decent rate. They were running a 25% plus 15% on their site. The brand is called Chaarpai, and here we go. I'm going to try to, you're opening it now. I really like this. The color attracted me a lot. I got this my hands on it, and there were a couple of designs and really good designs. They have got some new designs. This is an old one. This is a maroon journal. I find this very elegant and classy, and it says the daily detail. It says my name right here. Let's open the wrapping. By the way, this is an undated planner, which means that it doesn't say year 2025 or doesn't have a year to it. Any year you can open this up and you can start planning, which is what I like about this, because I'm not someone who uses planners a lot, so this makes sense to me. Even if I fall out of the habit of planning and using a planner for planning, I can reach out to it and get back to it anytime. This is the inside. Look at it and tell me you don't like it, because I do. I like it. This is the last page. I like that they have left the last page as blank. I really like that. What attracted me about the inside of this journal is that this journal, out of all of the journals that I was looking at, has a really clean aesthetic, and I like clean aesthetic. It says 90 days from now, you will thank yourself for starting. This first page actually says, I am committed to take action and focus my energy and efforts on making progress towards my goal for the next 90 days, sign and date. It's almost like signing a contract, and you're signing a contract with yourself to stay committed to whatever it is that you want to stay committed to. I like that. You have to let me read this first page out to you. It says, I'm a goal digger. I turn my dreams into goals and those goals into reality. My passion is what inspires me and drives my determination. I'm fearless and not afraid, and more of that positive talk. I am really liking this. It says create a mind map of your dreams, goals and ideas. And they have pages for goals for you to fill in your goals. And then they have a how-to on how to use this journal. You can use it however you want, but they basically give you an idea of what you could do with it. So look, they have a weekly overview here. They have goals divided into career and finances, home and family. And then they have a weekly overview here. Again, a clean page. So this is what the planner looks like. Morning thoughts, hourly schedule, today's to-dos, calls, emails, appointment, a blank page to note some more stuff down. It has a rate your day, a feel better tomorrow, and they have ratings for the day: okay, good, and awesome. And then they have, I think, exercise, guilt-free relaxation and meditation written, which I'm hoping if you've done any one of those, you can probably tick mark them or cross mark them, however, whatever you wish to do. I feel like I made a good choice with this. I really like the neat, clean, white aesthetics. I like that it is not crowded with a lot of illustrations. I'd say that this is a good journal to have if you're going to office, because the aesthetic, the inside of the journal is very neat, and even the outside. I'm going to now move on to my gratitude journal that I was talking about. And I'm going to be honest. If with my yearly planner, I like the fact that it wasn't illustrated and it had a very clean aesthetic going on. With my gratitude journal, I was actually looking for illustrations, because my gratitude journal is something that's private. I don't see myself carrying it around anywhere, but I see myself using it at my home with my yearly planner, with my regular planner. I do see myself carrying out to spaces, office spaces, and I don't feel like I want to give too much of myself away, whether it be in the kind of illustrations I like or the kind of person I am. Because when you pick artwork for your journal, if you look at the artwork, it says a lot about you as a person. I decided to keep all of that to myself, and I went with a journal that has little to nothing on the outside and the inside. But with my gratitude journal, I went all out. Look at the illustration and tell me you don't like it. I'm going to open, not very neat with unwrapping stuff, so little ripping here is going to happen. Okay, I love how this is spiral bound, because the last one is not spiral bound, and a spiral bound means that you can open the book better, at least in my head, because it opens flat. And this is what the illustration looks like. What attracted me most is the shower time routine here. It says pause. Today's fast-paced world, it is so important to take a moment to reflect, to sit, to unwind. And oh, look at that. It has the sun, the moon, and some constellations, I think, drawn across it. They have the sweetest thing written here. It says, the first page says, it says this journal belongs to, which is pretty common with planners and journals. But this little bit here kind of says, this little book knows life is hectic, so much to worry about and do in our everyday lives that we usually prioritize ourselves last. Let's change that, okay? You deserve to be happy, feel great, and fulfilled. And I'm all for it. And I believe every single word that they've written here. It actually has prompts, and it says 40 ways to practice gratitude. So if you're new to practicing gratitude, expressing gratitude, this is really helpful. Okay, this is really ideal for someone who's trying to write. It has a writer's block guide on how to overcome your writer's block. It gives you writing prompts and for you to write, which is, I think, really thoughtful. And then this has a filled out page here, which gives you an idea of what to write. So the gratitude journal is divided into morning and evening. The morning says today's focus, affirmation for today, what I'm grateful for, and then it moves on to evening. It says rate your day here for the evening. Evening, good things that have happened and things I did to make a positive difference today. It has how I felt today, and you can just tick mark any of the emotions that are listed here. They have a wide range of emotions here, and feel free to add something that's not there as well. And towards the end, they say a positive thought to carry me to sleep. I think that is so important, because how we go to sleep matters, because we often end up carrying that into our next day. That was the gratitude journal. I quickly wanted to talk about the journals that I was using prior to this. In fact, I still use this journal. This is a blank journal that I'm about to show you. I'm going to show the blank pages. See? Something fell out just now. These are blank pages, so blank journal. This is from Living Waters Creative Studio. This is what the illustration looks like, and I really like this illustration. It says Chronicles of a Free Elf and Other Tales of Bravery. It's yellow, it's cute, resonated with me a lot when I picked this up. This is Dobby right here with a sock, and the backside says sock off. I use my Dobby journal to just write down thoughts that I'm having, random thoughts, ideas, work plans, office plans, anything that comes to my mind. But this one that I got in the year 2023 is actually from a brand called Factornotes. A few days back, they were having a huge sale for planners, and you could get their planners under 1,000, I believe. This one says, little by little, a little becomes a lot. I really enjoyed the affirmation written right here more than the illustration. And the illustration is cute, but I don't believe I would have gone for the illustration if it didn't have this written here. There were other designs, but I remember I was glued to this and I instantly reached out for this and I bought this for myself. And it also came with stickers. Still have a lot of that because I haven't used all of the stickers. I also did not completely end up using this journal. I used very little of this journal and there's so much left. It has illustrations for the beginning of each month, like this is what December looks like. So similarly, it has illustrations for all of the 12 months. I'm not going to show you all of them because I don't believe this is available right now. They changed their designs for each year, and rightly so. But if I came across this journal for the first time now, I believe I would have gotten it just for the affirmation because this one stuck with me. Not end up using this journal much. I also don't plan on using it like a yearly planner. I might use it for some rough work because I do not like the idea of, having to scribble and scratch out 2023, the days, the years, the months, because it's 2025 now. So obviously there's a difference in that, and having more than one yearly planner would just confuse me. So I don't plan on using it like a planner anymore, but I do plan on using it maybe for some scribbling or doodling or something. This also made me realize that I am not somebody who has a habit of taking and planning on a daily basis, which is why an undated planner would be best for me, so that my planner doesn't go to waste like the 2023 one is going right now. So this one that I got, that I was talking about, is actually an undated planner. You choose to go with this journal or any other journal. They will give you an option of customizing your name. I knew that I wanted my name customized. It adds that special touch, so I went with it. I felt like both of these were affordable buys and I went ahead with it. I kid you not, when I was looking for journals to buy, journals out there and planners out there are expensive. Alicia Souza journal, for example, I would not buy. Illustrations are a little too bright for my taste. It is good otherwise. She is a great illustrator, not dissing her work. I probably won't be using her planners as something that might agree with my everyday lifestyle. I wouldn't be taking it around. I wouldn't be leaving my home with it. So I did not choose that one. Also, the price point had a role to play. They are ridiculously expensive. There's this Inkwell planner, and I was looking at their planner packages, like the ones that come with planner, the wall calendar and everything, and they are expensive. My god, I think they were listed at somewhere around 4.5k, and I just thought I'm not going to pay that kind of money for a planner, which is why these were my pick. All of these planners come close to 1,000 or max maybe 1,200. I do not think any of them touch the 1,200 mark. I'm excited to know if you use any planners or journals. So comment down below and let me know if you are the type to plan, write stuff down, take pen to paper and plan that way, plan the old school way, or do you use your phone to plan on the notes app, or do you do it all in your head? That is all for this video. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye. Take care.